25 centuries, Western knowledge has tried to look upon. It has failed to understand that the world is not for it is for hearing. It is not legible. Our science has always desired it to monitor, measure, extract, forgetting that life is full of rules, death and work noise of man, noise of boredom, soul, nothing is essential. Today, outside of the deep,
bright lights, big city,
having constructed a prison, abstraction, non
bright lights, big city, bright lights, big city, city and light. Bright lights, big city, city and lights. Bright lights, big city. Bright lights, big city, city and light. Bright lights, big city. Bright lights, big city, city and light. Bright lights, big city. Bright lights, big city, city and lights. Bright lights, big city. Bright lights, big city, city and light. Bright lights, big city. Bright lights,
I look ahead into the distance. My horizon is filled up with man-made mountains and accidental fountains. Always counting like a time bomb. Time is running out and the climb's long. Slowly as the pressure's mounting. Out of the dark alleys into the mean streets. And so I dilly-dally in time of clean beats. I spot a smoker Sally causing supreme beef. She's like a tight patty, so I call her Queen Chief. Then the Babylon come along and Babylon like a disease, so I disinfect like Savalon. Oh no, it burns, so they curl up like little worms. Or curly perms, so I disregard like single sperms. What's the worst they could do? Take it off me. As I puff, I notice that it's chilling me softly with this jaw, blocking out the engines and pollution. City life, finally, a logical solution. It's like a jungle sometimes, it makes me wonder will I keep from going under in this monsoon, lightning and thunder. Another sticky tape, murder scene, don't cross. The joy riders, the young teens are looking lost, blaming each other so they're screaming at the top of their lungs. Everybody's at the very first rung of the ladder, best watch your step. Rotten wood is never good, so don't surpass your death. Best to equip yourself with the essential tools. Read my lips, it's all about credentials, fool. My foot descends into a puddle, step into a pool. With underwater cities where battles and duels, and niggas is cool, and stereotypes are still right in amongst the hype. Too many MCs breaking it down without a mic. And on the street corner, one more maternal mourner trying to make a baby breathe, but the kids are gonna. Unanswered questions begin to hurt like slow injections. Progression in my neighborhood is lacking every section, but that's my own impression. Call it a mad obsession. I can't believe the way I'm living with this bad possession. The cotton mints covering the roads of my abode. SOS and Morse code, trouble overload. And the inhabitants, they look up to the crucifixion. Sitting on top of pointy chapel roofs, fact or fiction. Heavy addiction, where's the savior? Well, here's a clue. Imagine prison cells, living hell, sniffing glue. Sitting alone, contemplating about the methadone. Looking like Swiss cheese and displeased, no pleasure zone. So back on my side, a different kind of jail cell. Don't know the secrets all, if you please pray tell. I know that chessboard, can't nobody play it well. The streets are hot, leading to a modern day hell.
Do that shit, do that shit. Do that shit, do that shit.
You brought up here, you used to live in here, you know the people and everything.
What the great news was
Everybody gets along with their whether they're white, black, Asian, whatever, it don't matter, you know?
Y gwir yw taw dyfais yw'r ddinas i leihau'r pwysau ar ddyn, yn rhoi dewis o ffwrdd i ddianc o cynyddu.
Cardiff is a slow place. That's the best way I like it. The game is not too fast.
Even though I was struggling to do it much, and I started off just for tywelwch fi'n credu beth mwy
I come myself from the Welsh, I'm not sure that great Britain, the Welsh are the nice people.
So you're making it came back many just kind of
city, city and lights. Bright lights, big city, city.
Wi ddim yn siŵr o hyd i ba ffordd mae cerddoriaeth yn mynd ar gyfer y dyfodol, mae'n anodd. Ond o ran, mae'n hollol iawn o ran y gwyddor bod unrhyw un yn gallu creu neu arbrofi gyda synnau. Ond os ydych chi'n galw hyn yn y gyfansoddwyr ar ôl cymryd gwaith neu syniadau rhywun arall, dwi ddim yn siŵr.
Just because we're getting them rather not gonna hide ya. Them job and show the air on the mist of return. Bet for get out see but for so no with the grocery. He's a man is man my na bon you ya. On his old man my na little one is stay. On his head to man on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back. Ar for be money get dream med all the pen and type. Tanna shikar on the top guy ja all the bit of boy. I mean I got pop don't the milk boy the bit of fast. On took all them drömmen din bälte mombar vi är gått pop boss man går man till sin coffee point ja men det går morgon med spit men det går med någon konstig här men det går morgon med spit men det går med någon konstig här I ser man ut som man halleluja och ni ser ut som man hinner det var ni ser just det men det går morgon med spit men det går med någon konstig här men det går morgon med spit come on Masavo vila kalan gada la urhi domo kalan figin penta so Singwell nu mon ni so the band oh wow until pick up some of the for a while in loud out band bit of that we never be so who's on like for the tea so quite mentality gonna be on that one my pop go there on my shop bill for class do mon play on no my fire shot oh the in the bedroom for the we got got pop boss man got my news and call the point shot men go morgon med spit man go med någon kort ja men go morgon med spit man go med någon kort ja ser ut som man hinner bollen nu ja och ni ser ut som man hinner det var inte till stå man go morgon med spit man go med någon kort ja man go morgon med spit man go med någon kort ja
buddsodwyr yn cynhyrchu cerddoriaeth.
Musical instruments.
Mae offerynnau cerddorol yn atgynhyrchu cerddoriaeth.
Tape recorders.
Mae periannau tân setiau radio prynodisgiau yn atgynhyrchu sain. Mae dyfais megis box music yn cynhyrchu sain ac yn atgynhyrchu
Produce a sound that can reproduce.
Mae ffonograff yn hwnnw artif yn chwarae record mewn golchfyd electronig gyda nodwydd sonograffig megis pictw ac yn cynhyrchu seinau sy'n unigryw ac sy'n heb eu hatgynhyrchu. Mae gyda hyn tro'r peiriant recordiau yn offeryn cerddorol. Mae sampler sydd yn ei hanfod yn offeryn recordio a thraws newid ar yr un pryd yn ddyfais dibynol a chreadigol sy'n lleihau'r nodwydd sy'n cael ei ffilmio gan
Simultaneously a documentary device and a creative device. In effect, reducing the distinction. Place a record on the turntable mat. 2. Turn the power switch to the on position. Speed indicator for 33 1/3 RPM and the strobe illuminator will all light up. 3. Remove the stylus protector if your cartridge has a detachable one. 4. Release the arm clamp. 5. Push the start-stop button. The turntable platter will start to rotate. 6. Set the cueing lever to the up position. 7. Move the forearm over the desired line. 8. Set the cueing lever to the down position. The turntable sends
ysbrydoli gen ddatblygiadau newydd yn yr un ffordd ag y bydda cyfansoddwr wrth gwrs wrth glwad offeryn am y tro cyntaf fatha Tchaikovsky ar Celeste enghraifft yn cael ei ysbrydoli i wneud rhywbeth ar gyfer yr offeryn neu newid hyd yn oed gwead i cerddoriaeth ond yr hyn oedd yn haro fi oedd nad oes ddim byd newydd dan yr haul achos mae'r syniad yma o ddefnyddio recordiad o rhywbeth ar gyfer sylfaen yn mynd â chi reit yn ôl i'r 50au chyn hynny. Mae yna ddarn enwog iawn gan Karl-Heinz Stockhausen rhwng Gesang de Junglinge sydd yn jyst yn recordiad o hogia ifanc mewn cor yn canu a recordiad o hwnna wedi cael ei drin mewn ffordd sydd yn creu cerddoriaeth hollol newydd.
gorllewin wedi edrych ar y byd, ond wedi methu deall bod y byd ddim yn rhywbeth i'w weld. Mae'n rhaid gwrando arno. Nid yw'n ddarllenadwy, ond yn wrandawadwy. Mae gwyddoniaeth wedi ceisio monitro, mesur, didoli a sbaddu ystyr, gan anghofio fod bywyd yn llawn sŵn a taw marwolaeth yn unig sy'n ddistaw. Sŵn gwaith, sŵn dyn a sŵn anifeiliad, sŵn wedi ei brynu, wedi ei werthu neu wedi ei wahar. Does dim byd hanfodol yn digwydd yn absynoldeb sŵn. Heddiw mae'n llygaid wedi pylu ac yn methu gweld y dyfodol, wedi creu presennol wedi ei wneud o'r hanweithol, o nonsens a gwyddoniaeth. Mae'n rhaid i ni nawr mesur cymdeithas yn ôl ei synau, y celfyddydau, y gwyliau a'r ystadegau. Drwy rando ar sŵn gallwn ddeall yn well ble mae pholineb dyn a'i gasgliadau yn ein tywys.
Just because walking ddim gradd yn ogl maia Dim tro beth oedd e egron, dim Mr. Puritor Beth byddwn ni achos i mae'r ffordd o'n mynd y goes i fi I lle ma'n o'i eisiau mynd, mae hynna bon i nhw ia O'n i lle o ti eisiau mynd, mae hynna rili bon i ti os ni O'n i lle o dwi eisiau mynd, on a jet plane Don't know when I'll be back Ar ffordd be mwyn i ceg dren ma oedd o phenotype Tan mas i gyrraedd o top o graia oedd o byd yn fwy Ar hynna dag o pobl dod mewn bod o byd yn flash Ond doedd o ddim, Dwi'n mynd i'r werth yn mwyn bod y fi ar gos Pop balls, mae'n gwybod nhw'n sy'n colli'r pwynt ia Mae'n gwybod mor gwybod byd, mae'n gwybod mae nhw'n colli ar ha Mae'n gwybod mor gwybod byd, mae'n gwybod mae nhw'n colli ar ha Mae hynna bon i nhw ia O'n i lle o ti eisiau mynd, mae hynna rili bon i ti os ti Mae'n gwybod mor gwybod byd, mae'n gwybod mae nhw'n colli ar ha Mae'n gwybod mor gwybod byd, mae'n gwybod mae nhw'n colli ar ha O'n i lle o ti eisiau mynd, mae hynna bon i nhw ia O'n i lle o ti eisiau mynd, mae hynna rili bon i ti os ti Mae'n gwybod mor gwybod byd, mae'n gwybod mae nhw'n colli ar ha Mae'n gwybod mor gwybod byd, mae'n gwybod mae nhw'n colli ar ha Just because walking in the ground I'm not high Mae'n gwybod byd, mae'n gwybod mae nhw'n colli ar ha Mae'n gwybod mor gwybod byd, mae'n gwybod mae nhw'n colli ar ha O'n i lle o ti eisiau mynd, mae hynna bon i nhw ia O'n i lle o ti eisiau mynd, mae hynna rili bon i chi os ti Mae'n gwybod mor gwybod byd, mae'n gwybod mae nhw'n colli ar ha Mae'n gwybod mor gwybod byd, mae'n gwybod mae nhw'n colli ar ha Mae'n bod y fi ar gos Pop balls, mae'n gwybod nhw'n colli pwys Mae'n gwybod mor Every single day when I sit down to pray, I gotta plead to God, begging him to change my ways. Day to day, manic depression. My reflection shows me nothing but a Smith & Wesson. Sitting in my hand, pointed to my head at the temple. Close range, situations like a check payment. No change, everything is looking strange. All around me even got me thinking I'm the rage. It astounds me, blunt smoke clouds me, eye to eye, kiss the sky, feeling like I'm ready to die. Nothing like the weed, making me to smoke it with pride. Nothing like the sea, giving me a brilliant high. Jekyll and Hyde, I'm flipping like adrenaline ride. Fading out like a brother, like a melanin ride. Roll to die, but I'm beginning to wonder why. Like Machiavelli watching time fly, sitting by, getting high. I see blue lights. I am boss, solitary every new night, dreaming of the cars and the women that I could have had. Tight dressed, didn't get a chance to show dad. Make me glad, son, he said back then. Go for number one, never pack a gun. Never let me hear you on the run. Did I listen? Did I fuck? Smoke weed, pack a 9, now I'm out of luck. I make a fast buck on the corner doing dope things. Cocaine, making other brothers insane, causing niggas' brain like a migraine. Who cares? Not me, I got problems of my own, see? OG's got my brother thinking it was me. I can't get the last thing he ever said to me. Never sit tight, brother, go and get your stick right. Cause your problem isn't always down in black and white. We black and lights. As a youth, I had a big problem. Didn't know if I should chill with brothers steady mobbing. Pack my job in, now I seen they steady sobbing. Niggas throw me up, traumatized, steady robbing. Now I'm grown, all alone, skinny to the bone. Life's got a hold on me like a rapper's microphone. Mug back on the throne and it's fucked up. Upset stomachs feeling like I chucked up. I drugged up to the eyeballs. I keep playing the fool and bending the rules, believing that I'm winning the duels. Isn't it cruel the way I keep deceiving myself, beating myself when blatantly I'm cheating myself, defeating myself. Slowly I'm decreasing in health. All I wanted was a life full of fame and wealth. It's plain to see. I might as well go blame the sea, cause I'm the only one that's left not blaming me.
gwirfoddol, mae'n anodd. Ond o ran, mae'n hollol iawn o ran y gwyddor bod unrhyw un yn gallu creu neu arbrofi gyda synnau. Ond os ydyn nhw'n galw hyn yn y gyfansoddwyr ar ôl cymryd gwaith neu syniadau rhywun arall, dwi'n ddim yn siŵr.